In this video, I will show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. So click on File, then here click on More, then Options. Now here is the setting Trust Center, click on it. Here click on Trust Center Settings, then click on this Macro Settings and check this box, Enable PBA macros, and make sure guys it's not recommended because some potentially dangerous code can run. Now enable it. Also you can trust access to the VBA project object model, and once you done, here you have to click on OK. Now exit and reopen Excel. So this is the setting to enable macros in Microsoft Excel, and once you need to disable it, again same process, File, then More, Options, Trust Center, and select Disable. Also to uncheck this Trust Access, then click on OK. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.